This is Jamie with Bar-I, and in this video we're going to show you how to use the import function of Bar-I's inventory accounting software so that you can combine two counts if they were completed separately, either at two different times, or if one person completed half the count, another person did the other half, you can combine those together into one unified count. And the import function is also useful in a second use case where if your computer runs out of batteries or crashes halfway through a count, the import function allows you to recover that half completed count so you can go ahead and continue the rest of your count without having to redo the work that you've already completed. Let's take a look here. So first of all, I can see here I'm in the browser version, but you can also do this from the device-specific versions, either the Windows PC version or the iOS version. But either way, just go ahead and click on Count Zones. So in my case, always recommend to call your count something. So, complete count number one. It's just a basic thing, or banquet count, or if it's a particular function starting and ending, whatever. Give it a meaningful name because it'll make it much easier to use. And then what we're trying to do here is combine a count that was done from these four zones. We're going to not include these, nothing is going there. And then the first zone, the main bar and the liquor storage, was counted by Jamie, and the walk-in cooler and the beer cases was completed by Bob. So what we can do is go ahead and click import here. And now we see the point of adding these names. So obviously here's the timestamp, but I added bar and liquor storage by Jamie. So it tells me and helps me that it's the main bar and the liquor storage we count by Jamie. So I'll go ahead and just note that at the moment I'm just importing the count for this particular macro zone. To have the full flexibility, you have to import the count for each macro zone that's included, because then it allows you to have full customability. You can cut and dice the data any way you like. So go ahead and click import count. And then the second one was counted by Bob. So, yep, walk-in, cooler, and beer cases counted by Bob. So again, click there, import. Then beer cases, cooler again was Bob. So I'll go and pick up the right, make sure I'm on the right one, import. And then finally this one again was by Jamie. Import. And now we're all set. So now when I go ahead and click go to count page, the counting data which has already been completed will be filled in. You can modify that in case of any errors, or you just know that something was missed. But then from that point forward, it will perform like a usual count. And of course, when I finalize my count at the end, I'll know that I'll have a good combined count of everything, and hopefully a good name here, so it's easy to find my count amongst, once you've done many, many counts. So I hope that's helpful. And then let me explain the second use case here. So the second use case here would be if you previously completed a count, say in the main bar, but you only completed half of it, and then you did the walk-in cooler too, then you could import the partially completed count. So what you would do is similarly go ahead and import the count, import the main bar if that was completed, then import the walk-in cooler, and then you can go ahead and click go to count page. And what it will mean is all the counts in the main bar will be filled in, and the counts you completed in the walk-in cooler will similarly be filled in. You can come to the first zone where there's no counts, fill those in, and then continue counting the zones that are not touched yet. And it means that because you imported the first half of the count, you'll have one count containing all of the counting data, so we can analyze it for liquor cost or analysis, accountability, or whatever you're looking to do. As always, thank you for watching, and if you're not understanding how to perform a particular function, please shoot us an email. We'll be happy to make a video for you. Thank you so much.